front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit accessibility and convenience. Now you need to scroll again. Hit simple mode and tap on enter simple mode at the bottom. Then wait. As you can see, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, hit settings, choose simple mode again, and this time hit exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!